is Akash, and in this LinkedIn post, I posted a question that is there a possibility that if the R squared value is 0 and even then also we are accepting this model. So I told them that I will be giving the answer 3 hours later, and here I am making this video. So quite interesting. Many people have given lots of answer, and some of them are quite correct as well. And yeah, so let's move ahead and talk about the answer. So what's the formula of R squared? It's 1 minus sum of squared for the fit line divided by sum of square for the mean line. So basically in R squared what we are doing, we are comparing how good our model is compared to a very baseline model. That baseline model is just mean of all the y values in the regression. So these are the, suppose these are points, so this is a regression line, which is the fitting line, and this is the mean line, mean of all the y values. Okay, so this way this R square is calculated. So given for some amount of point, this mean value is constant. The sum of squared along the mean line is constant. Sum of square meaning the distance from all this point, all will be summed up and calculated like this. So sum of square along the mean line, and we also calculate sum of square around the fit line. So this fit line, so sum of squared is this one for all these points. Okay. So if this mean is constant for a particular set of points, and this fitting line is found out by the loss function of linear regression or ordinary least square, and we will check if it is fitting very perfectly, the value will be around 0 and this R square value will be around 1. So it's told that whenever R squared is close to 1, 0 0.9, 0 0.8, then the model is a linear regression model is a good one. But the question is a bit tricky one. I was asked this question in an Ericsson interview, so it's a bit tricky one. So here they want to know that even when R square is 0, will we accept the model? So generally going by this formula, if R square is close to 0 means my fit line is around the mean line. So it's not a good model. It will be cancel each other and it will become 1 and the whole R square will be 0. It's not a good one, right? So if my data points are like this, but I'm getting a fitting line like this, it's a bad model. But suppose my data points are like this. In this scenario, my mean line is this one and also my fitting line is also this one, because you can see this is the line which is best fitting the model. The sum of squared along this line is the least one, right? So in this case, what is happening? Both my sum of square fit and sum of square mean are becoming equal and they are getting cancelled and it's getting 1 and the R square value becomes 0. R square is becoming 0, but now what we see that our model is perfect fit. It's a good fit because as visually you can interpret, if the data points are like this, then this line is the perfect fit for this data points. So really whenever my fit line is equal to the mean line, then R squared can be 0 and we will still accept this model. So this was the tricky part, nothing too great, but yeah, you can be asked this question sometimes in interviews and you need to answer that. So yeah, that's for everything for now. Subscribe to my channel, yeah, and yeah, see you later. Bye bye.